Two 15-year-old Portmore girls gone missing from one location. Two killed in St. James crash involving truck and car. Assault rifle among items seized on Mountain View Avenue in Kingston. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. An Anand alert has been activated for 15-year-old Quenice Mullins and 15-year-old Laquisha Ball, both of Milton Road, Portsmouth, Portmore in St. Catherine, who have been missing since Monday, December 11. Quenice is of dark complexion, slim build, and about 177 centimeters or 5 feet 10 inches tall, while Laquisha is of brown complexion, medium build, and about 144 centimeters or 4 feet 9 inches tall. Reports from the Waterford police are that about 11:45 a.m., both girls were last seen at home, with Quenice wearing a short lime green dress, a black and white slippers, and carrying a white crossbody bag. Laquisha was wearing a multicolored crop top with short gray tights and a pair of peach slippers. They both have not been heard from since then. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Quenice Mullins and Laquisha Ball is being asked to contact the Waterford Police at 876-988-1763, the 119 police emergency number, or the nearest police station. Two people, a man and a woman, reportedly died as a result of injuries they received in a motor vehicle collision on the Lilliput Main Road in St. James on Tuesday morning. The crash involved a Toyota Voxy motor car and a truck. The police have not yet released the identities of the deceased. However, the woman is said to be an American. The truck was reportedly heading in the direction of Montego Bay and the Voxy heading in the opposite direction when the collision occurred. The truck ended up crashing into a section of a commercial building after the collision. A team of law enforcement personnel assigned to the Kingston Eastern Police Division seized an M4A1 assault rifle with a magazine containing 10 5.56mm rounds of ammunition during a joint police-military operation on Tuesday, December 12. Reports are that between the hours of 10 a.m. and 1 p.m., law enforcers were in the area, during which a premises was searched. In the search, the weapon and ammunition were found inside a room wrapped inside a sheet. The weapon and ammunition were seized. No one was arrested in relation to the seizure. Investigations continue into the discovery.